Hi everybody, welcome to another video on the channel. You might be a subscriber who isn't presently a client, or you might be a client who's onboarding for the first time and wanting to know a little bit more about my training management system that I use to individualize your plan. So this serves as an introduction. Most importantly, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to pull data in from the Concept2 Logbook, how to sync my training system with that Concept2 Logbook. There are many apps out there that will allow you to upload data to that logbook, and include a remote rowing coach, my own app. But this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how to pull that data in very, very quickly and save you time. In this view, you've got the main menu. There are various different tabs with various different pieces of information. Feedback, if you're uploading data and you're looking for my feedback, it's under here, coach and athlete notes. Past workouts are right here. This is a test account, so there's nothing in upcoming workouts, but we have enough here to kind of demo how the system works. There are various different energy zones that have different colors. We spend a lot of the time, 80% of the time, about working at UT1 and UT2, so sort of sub 80% of max heart rate in that aerobic zone. A lot of time in UT2 and about 65% of max heart rate. Anaerobic is red, and anaerobic is yellow, and the threshold work, so to speak, is in yellow. And the anaerobic stuff, the very high level, 95% of max heart rate stuff, is in red. So everything's color coded. That's quite helpful for you to very visually see what we're doing in terms of training volume at different energy levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to import data into the system, and I'm just going to use this workout right here, this UT2 workout. So the first thing I'm going to do is authenticate with the Concept2 Logbook. We need a security token in order for us to be able to transfer data between the two systems. So if I go up to authenticate with the Concept2 Logbook and I click it, it's going to take me directly to the Concept2 Logbook. If I'm already logged in, I'll get this screen. If you're not logged in, you'll get the login screen, which you'll put in your username and password, and then you should get this screen right here. So I'm going to go ahead and approve the Coach Bergenroth system with the Concept2 Logbook by clicking this green button right here. And once I click that, that's going to kind of authenticate me. If I return to the main menu, you're going to see the logbook is now connected right here on that screen. So what I want to do is pull in some data into a workout. So as I said, I'm going to choose this one that's a UT2. I'm going to click the edit button right here, and then I'm going to click this icon right here on the left, import data from your Concept2 Logbook. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then what that's going to do is pull up a screen which is going to be all that data. So I actually have something already associated with this, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that for the purposes of the video. And so here are all of the training that I have in the logbook. As you can see, I'm spending a lot of time on the bike erg these days. But you can page through all of the workouts that you're doing by clicking the next button. You can go back and all the rest of it. I'm going to choose this workout right here. It's May 30th. I did 7,626 meters in about 33 minutes. So I want to import that data. It's not exactly what the training was in the system, but just for the purposes of the demo, it's going to work pretty well. So I'm going to make sure that I click that one. So I'm going to go ahead and click import data. I'm going to go over here and importing that data. It's going to ask me if I definitely want to import that data. Yes, I do. And I'm going to click OK. And within a couple of seconds, it's going to pull all of that stroke data. So time, distance. If you're wearing a heart rate monitor, you got to really wear a heart rate monitor to kind of track heart rate over time. We're going to watch that as we go. And then I'm going to return to the input workout here by clicking this. And now you can see all of that data. So here are all the splits for that particular training system. Here's the average split. So I went at 212.1. It was just a light steady state. I got my drag factor right here. That's so I could see what the drag factor was on the machine, the watts. There's some other metrics here like the total distance, the total time, average heart rate. So again, I'm looking at that heart rate over time and making sure that the pace of our steady state is improving, over a period of time, and tracking the heart rate. So that's what's really important. We're wearing heart rate monitors when we do our training. And there's a training log here. So I'm just going to write in comment, and that could be anything. The context of your training is important. So, how many hours of sleep, how's the diet going, what's going on in life, couldn't finish the whole workout, or felt really great, or felt really heavy, whatever's going on that particular day, you're going to type it in, or you have the option to type it in that comment field right there. And then once you've finished all that, one more thing to do, which is hit the submit button at the bottom, and that sends me an email that says you've uploaded some data in the system, and then I can log in, and I can look at your data, look at the heart rate, look at the splits, look at your comment, give you some feedback on that sort of 24-hour cycle, and really just keep my finger on the pulse, literally and figuratively, in terms of your training. And that's the real advantage of personalized coaching, is that you're getting my experience, my 35 years of experience looking at this and tracking the data and making sure that you are on track. And if you're on track, we're going to know quickly. If you get off track, we're going to see the trend of data over time. And this system, as you can see, allows that very, very quickly, in just a few clicks, to pull that data in and track it over time. Allows you to track data over time. The logbook does not do a good job, if at all, in terms of comparing the same workout over time. So if we did the same workout every month for 4 months, in this system, we would have the ability to compare all those different data points. So, and that's pretty helpful. So it's one of those, click this button right here, and now we've got that data over time. So again, this is a test system. Ideally, that graph would be going in the upper right, but we can pull all that data in and look at it, and it's just very, very simple to track workouts. So I hope the video is helpful. If you've got any questions, let me know. If you like what you see, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and leave a comment. Let me know, if this looks cool, something you might be interested in. If I can help you in a coaching support role, I'd be happy to have a free consult with you, chat through what we can do, where you want to go, where you are currently with your rowing, and plot a course for success in terms of performance, wellness, fitness, whatever it is that you want to achieve. We've got, I've got an eye on a plan in order to get you to that point. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and appreciate everybody tuning into the channel, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.